Alright, so we got a service call. Grocery freezer running warm. It's a low temperature freezer, walk in. And basically what I noticed is I just had them move this cart over out my way. And as I walked over to the TXV, look what I found. Alright, so as you can see, we got a lot of frost buildup on this TXV. This valve is not feeding. Look like somebody's been here leak searching. See some bubbles up there. But before we go ahead and go farther, I'm gonna close my liquid line ball valve right there, that red handle. And I wanna check this TXV screen. All right, so I just took out the TXV screen. Screen is here in my hand. That looks pretty clean. You can't really see through it, but that's clean. I'm gonna have to pump this circuit down, remove the power head, and check the TXV rods and the orifice, and we'll go from there. All right, so rack 4, circuit 48, frozen food freezer. At 32 degrees. Set point is 0. Let's go ahead and pump down our circuit. All right, so we walk around to the back of the rack. Circuit 48 is this one right here. That's our EPR. I want to pump this circuit down. Basically, I'm just going to close my liquid line, and I'm going to close the hot gas line, and I'm going to let this thing pour down, and then recover the rest, and then open up the TXV, and we're going to check our TXV rods. All right, so we're down to 50 psi. We still got a little bit more ways to go. The rack suction set point is 7, so this should at least pour down to 7 psi. All right, so we're down to 7 psi. The rack will no longer pour down no lower than that, so we're gonna have to recover the rest. Finna go up here. I just also took the sensing bulb off the suction line, and we like to put it back there in the back. You don't never want to put that right there or anything. But we finna take apart this TXV, man. Let's get to it. All right, so I just got my power head loose. Let's go ahead and take that off. Let's check out the TXV rods. That one moved a little bit. Look at that one. That one's stuck. That rod there do not want to come out. Look at this one. This one just slides right out. This one here, it does not want to move, baby. So we're gonna have to lube that up, get that out. Here's both of them. My TXV rods right there. See, you got a little build up on there. Not much, but enough to cause it to stick. And then also, if you can look in between here, you can see that. It's like a little piece of solder in the inside of the cartridge. So that will restrict the flow of refrigerant, get into that metering device, and cause this case to pull down very, very slow. So that's pretty cool. It's a rare find. You don't see it often, but not the first time I've seen it. But that's why I always pull out the rods and also check my cartridge. All right, so just had to go out to my truck. Had to get my Q valve cartridge service kit, also some oil, so we can replace that cartridge. Also lube the TXV pins. All right, so I just lubed up these rods. They all good to go. And that's my new cartridge right there. The old cartridge is down here. Here's the old one with the little piece stuck in the middle, as you can see. And then if we look at this new one, look at that, nice and clean, nothing's in there. So